Today's 2-minute tech tip is on copying and reusing Google Forms. So this week I sent out the Google Forms for the exemption registration, and I just wanted to copy the form that I had already used previous semesters to make it easier. So the quick and easy way of doing that, so you have a couple of responses in this old form, is to go over here to your three dots and choose Make a Copy. It will save it in the same location and it will create the new form with 0 responses. The drawback to this is that this URL is different than the old URL. So if you wanted to share it with the same people and not have to resend that same hyperlink, then you would want to go about it a slightly different way. So this is the old form with the responses. And so just to clear this form out so that I can use it, I'm going to go to the three dots that are right here next to the spreadsheet button. And first, if you want to keep these responses, you can download these into a CSV file. You can open in Excel and see what those previous responses were. But if you don't care anything about those, you just delete responses. And when you say OK, it is then empty and it's ready to be shared again, and it's ready for some new responses. I hope you find this helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.